Hello guys, welcome to Rotham HJ, and today we have a really good news that MIUI 13 is officially going to release at the end of December as they are claiming, and after the MIUI 12.5 update, and let's hope it comes earlier, and we have a devices list, so let's get started. Today with me I have the Mi 11X Pro, and I have taken this list, that's the MIUI 13 eligible device list from the GIST China. They have implemented some devices list, and I think so these devices will get the MIUI 13 update from the Xiaomi UI official. So we have the various devices like the Redmi Xiaomi series, the Redmi K series, then we have the Redmi series, then we have the Redmi Note series, and the last we have the Poco series and also the Xiaomi Pad series. Okay, these are the device which will get the MIUI 13 based on Android 11 and Android 12 as well. So we have tons of devices with us, and which will receive the MIUI 13 update along with the Xiaomi series. So we have the Mi 9, the Mi 9 SE, the Mi 9 Lite, the Mi 9 Pro 5G, the Mi 9T, the Mi 9T Pro, Mi CC9, the Mi CC9 Pro, the Mi Note 10 or 10 Pro, the Mi Note 10 Lite, the Mi 10s, and these symbols you are seeing at the Mi 9 series, they are actually getting the Android 11 based on 11. Okay, and the barcode you see, which they will be getting the update as early as possible. So yes, these are the rules they have been given. And then you have the Redmi 10 Pro series, the Redmi 10 Lite, the Mi 10 Lite series, then you have the Mi 10T Pro, the Mi 10 Lite, the Mi 11, the Mi 11 Pro, the Mi 11 Ultra, Mi 11, the Mi 11X Pro, the Mi 11T, the Mi 11T Pro, Mi 11 Lite 5G new edition, the latest phone, and of course the Xiaomi CV as well, the Xiaomi Mi Mix 4 series, then you get the Mi Mix Fold also. So these are the devices from the Xiaomi, that's the upper budget market. So that's these phones cost around 30 to 40,000. And next you have the Redmi K series, the Redmi K series. Yes, this K series is so famous, and yeah, everyone knows that the Redmi K20 and the Redmi K20 Pro series, which were released 2 years before, were a really great deal at 27 to 30,000 price segment. And yes, these are the rules. Like some devices will receive it at Android 11, some devices will receive it at Android 12, and yes, these are barcodes of the phones which will receive the updates really first, and the symbols that I shown will receive the update with Android 11. Next we have the Redmi K series, the Redmi K20, the Redmi K20 Pro India series, the Redmi K20 Pro, the Redmi K20 Pro, the Redmi K20 Pro, yeah, so many Redmi K20 Pros are premium. Then the Redmi K30 4G, the Redmi K30 5G, the Redmi K30i 5G, the Redmi K30 5G Speed Edition, the Redmi K30 Pro, the Redmi K30 Pro Zoom, the Redmi K30 Ultra. So many names, my godness. Redmi K40. See, these are the devices which will receive the updates first. Redmi K40 Pro, the Redmi K40 Pro Plus, the Redmi K40 Gamings, and you can see the symbols and the barcodes as well. And next we have the Redmi series, that's the Redmi 9A, the Redmi 9AT, the Redmi 9i, the Redmi 9A Sport, Redmi 9C, Redmi 9C NFC, Redmi 9 India version, the Redmi 9 Active India version, the Redmi 9 Prime, Redmi 9, Redmi 9T, Redmi 9i Power, Redmi 10X 4G, then you have the Redmi 10X 5G, Redmi 10X Pro, Redmi 10, and the recently I bought this device also, that's the Redmi 10 Prime, and they are really good phones. And the last you have the most favorite and the most used phones from the Redmi series, at the Redmi 10, Redmi Note series. They also have the Redmi 8 series, the 80, the 80 Pro, Redmi 9 series also. Then you have the Redmi 10 series, the Redmi 11 series also, which includes the Japan version, the Russia version, and the India version also, and also the global version. These all are the rebranded names of the phones, and they are being sold. And even in the Poco series, you have the Poco F2, the Poco F3 series, the Poco F4, the Poco X3, the Poco M3, the Poco M4 Pro, and the Poco C3 also. So remember, there is no Poco F1 because it's a really old phone and now it will not get any update. And along with you have the Xiaomi Pad series, that's the Xiaomi Pad series. Okay, and these were the devices list. You can actually get the update. If you don't have it, then you can just take a screenshot of it, so you will know which phone will get, and you should also check out for your phone. And you have the Xiaomi Pad series, that's the 5 Pro and the 5 Pro 5G. Yes, so really we will hope that the phones will get the update as soon as possible. And they have said that it will come at the end of the December or somehow, but I don't think it will come at the December. Only it will come at the December for only few phones, but other phones you have to wait till Jan or Feb also. I don't think they will give the update as early as possible. And you know what, Xiaomi provides updates. They usually do a little bit of hazy, and they don't provide updates regularly. So these are the list, and you should take a screenshot of it. And so guys, this was the devices list, and I hope each and every device I have noted will get the MIUI 13 update as soon as possible, but we have to wait till the December ends. And I even have the Redmi K20 Pro and the Mi 11X Pro, which will be receiving the Android 11 and the Android 12 update as well. So these were the devices list, and if you really like the content, then please subscribe to my channel and like the video as well. So bye.